to you. I know that you're older, but what can I do? I leave in the morning, I'll forget that I am surely falling. Grew up in a case of fragile glass, but hammer away, it's time to crash. And as it shatters, let me shatter into you. The soft candle glow, the music so slow, your skin on my skin, the room is spinning, nerve on my bone. I'm shaking, oh no, I'm talking though I shouldn't be. I lost all sensibility. Ooh, I've never been so fragile. It's been a year and 40 days since you picked me up and swept me away. I wanted to run with you into the midnight sun with you. Now I sit around and rust in rain, turn into dust as I